Hi everyone, today in this video I'll be showing you how to download and install Python as well as PyCharm onto your computer. Specifically, I'll be using a Windows computer for this. This works as well for, I believe, Linux and Mac OS. You just had to pick the different option. Instead of picking Windows, you would have to pick Linux in this case here, or Mac OS. And that's all the difference, I believe. The installation process will pretty much be the same. So I've provided this link in the description, so you can go ahead and find that below. I've also provided the link in the description to download PyCharm below as well. Okay, so let's go ahead and start. We need to get the latest version of Python. Let's go ahead and download that. Okay, and it's downloading now. You can get another version below, like for example, if you want Python 3 at the very bottom, right down here, or Python 2, sorry, at the very bottom, you can get that as well, released in 2021. But for this video, we're going to be downloading the latest version, the version from January 14th, 2022. Okay, we're going to go ahead and open that, and we're going to install now. Actually, let's go ahead and actually customize settings. So we actually just went out and got out of that. So we're just going to customize settings. We want to make sure that pip, for example, is installed or going to be installed. In that case, yes. And let's see, we're going to add environment variables, install for all users, debugging tools, I like that. Okay, and install. Okay, yes, and it's installing now. Okay, there we go. We have finished. So setup was successful, and we're just going to close that. And let's go ahead and go navigate over to here, and we're going to go ahead and click on this right here. It should be opening. There we go. It is open, and so we can go ahead and go to new file and get a new file if we want to edit, for example. Let's try something, a command, pretty easy. So we'll try hello world. Hello world. Oops. And there we go. Okay, so now that Python's successfully installed, we need to go ahead and go on over to PyCharm. And for PyCharm, we want to install the latest version. So give me a second. Let me go back to where you can get that. Okay, so we have two types that we can get. We have the professionals or we have the communities. The professionals you had to pay for, and the communities you don't have to. So you can also choose whether you want Mac or Linux. For this case though, I'm going to be getting Windows because I'm on the Windows computer. So click download and the download should automatically install. Okay, so now that we've successfully downloaded PyCharm, let's go ahead and open this up. Yes. Next. Next. And yes, let's create a create shortcut. That's fine. Next. Generally, the default is okay. And there we go. And there we go. So let's go and click run. We want to run it and click finish. And this should run it for us. Yep, here we go. Here it comes. The latest version. Now, these are previous projects I made with PyCharm. So I've already had Python or Java PyCharm installed before, and it was installed a little bit ago before I uninstalled it to make this video. So if we open this project up, yes, I trust. And here's my project here that I was building. Okay, so that is how to open a project or install Python onto your computer as well as PyCharm text editor, a common text editor programmers use. So I hope you enjoyed the video.